unlock the power of print on demand, and effortlessly expand your e-commerce product line by integrating Printful with your WooCommerce store. First, we need to add the Printful plugin to your WooCommerce site. Log in to your WordPress admin area, navigate to Plugins in the left-hand menu, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Printful and press Enter. You'll see the official Printful plugin appear. Click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin. You'll now find Printful listed in your WordPress admin menu. Click on Printful to access its settings and connect your account. Here, you'll be prompted to connect your existing Printful account or create a new one if you already have a Printful account. Click Connect to Printful and log in with your credentials. If not, follow the on-screen prompts to create a new free Printful account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Printful dashboard. Look for the option to connect a new store and select WooCommerce. Printful will then ask for your WooCommerce store details. You'll need to provide your WooCommerce store URL for the API keys. Return to your WordPress admin, go to WooCommerce Settings, Advanced REST API. Click on Create New API Key. Give it a descriptive name like Printful Integration, and set the user to your admin user in the Permissions dropdown. Select Read Write. Click Generate API Key. You'll see a consumer key and a consumer secret. Crucially, copy these keys immediately and store them securely in a temporary document, as they will not be shown again. Now go back to the Printful integration screen in your Printful account and paste these keys into the corresponding fields. Also, enter your WooCommerce store URL. Click Connect. Congratulations! Your Printful account is now connected to your WooCommerce store. You can now start creating and uploading your product designs directly from Printful. When you create a new product in Printful, simply select WooCommerce as your sales channel. Printful will then sync your designs and product information to your WooCommerce store, ready for customers to purchase. Once a customer places an order in your WooCommerce store, Printful will automatically receive it. They'll handle printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer, eliminating the need for upfront inventory or manual fulfillment. This integration truly streamlines your e-commerce business.